Hi guys, my name is Toby Mathis. I'm one of the founders of Anderson Business Advisors and Law Group, and I'm here to invite you to the Tax and Asset Protection Workshop. And before you say, hey, why the heck would I ever go to a tax and asset protection workshop? It's because of this. So many people who have success will tell you that making it is only half the battle, keeping it is the other half. And keeping it isn't just about somebody trying to take what's not theirs and taking it from you. Keeping it can be paying the least amount of tax as humanly possible, or deferring a tax hit for much later. All too often we see somebody who has success, and then a year later, where they're sitting there with their accountant and they're trying to do their taxes, and they get hit with this big tax bill, and it literally disrupts their business and causes them all sorts of problems. Sometimes they're too cash poor to pay it, and they get behind on taxes, and it never seems to be able to catch up. What a good tax planner does is anticipates and sits down and takes a look and says, are there things we can do to shave it down? Or if we are going to pay it, is there a way to push it out and pay it at the latest date possible, or spread it out over a long period of time and take that tax hit over a longer period of time? Or best case scenario is, let's set up something to where we can avoid the tax hit altogether. You will learn how to do this and how to compartmentalize your businesses and your investment activities so that you can engage in a plan to minimize risks from third parties. Yes, they're still out there, those lawyers that are on billboards for a reason, but also to keep more of what you actually earn and anticipate whether a tax hit's coming, so you can take evasive action, so that you can avoid taking a direct, monstrous tax hit that disrupts your business. We can defer it out, we can spread it out, or we can avoid it altogether. You'll learn how to do that at the Tax and Asset Protection Workshop. Look forward to seeing you there.